In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI-powered web app using DeepSeek in 2025. Start by opening DeepSeek and typing a prompt like, "Build a simple web app that does this." Then, describe the app's purpose, whether it's a chatbot, calculator, data tool, or mini dashboard. DeepSeek will generate that full structure, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even API integration if needed. You can ask it to rewrite cleaner code, add features, fix errors, or convert the project into frameworks like React or Next.js. If you want backend support, just say add Python backend or create an API endpoint, and DeepSeek will build the server logic too. You can also request deployment steps for platforms like Vercel, Netlify, or Render. Once you have the code, paste it into your editor and run it. So that's it.